Welcome to Marwin Valve Maintenance and Repair videos. This video will detail the steps required to disassemble and reassemble a 6801 F series valve. These are the tools you will need: a torque wrench, snap ring tool, pick, and WD-40. The soft goods kit will include a set of seats, body seal, packing, gland bushing, and a thrust washer. It is also helpful to have the 5801-6801 series installation and maintenance guide nearby during repair. Now to begin the disassembly. Loosen and remove the screw and handle. Remove snap ring. Remove gland bolts and gland flange. Apply WD-40 to the 4 body bolts. Next, use your wrench to loosen and remove the body bolts. Lift and cap off. Turn the ball 90 degrees by turning the stem. Remove the ball. Push stem through the body to remove. Use the pick to remove the packing from the body. Remove the seat from the body. Remove the body seal from the body and seat from the end cap. Use the pick to remove thrust washer from the stem. Finally, remove gland bushing from the gland flange. Now that you have finished disassembling the valve, it is time to reassemble. Place new seat into the end cap and slide new thrust washer onto the stem. Install new gland bushing into gland flange. Insert the stem by moving up through the body. Install seat into the body. Place the ball into the body, making sure that it lines up with the stem. Stack the packing and insert it into the stem. Then return the gland flange and stop plate to the valve and tighten the bolts. Replace snap ring and move it into place. Insert new body seal into body. Place end cap and seat assembly onto the body. Install body bolt nuts on body studs and gradually tighten using an alternating tightening pattern. Install handle or T-handle coupler. Install and tighten screw and bolt. Now your 6801F rebuild is complete. If you have any further questions, please refer to the contact information listed here. You may also visit our website, www.marwinvalve.com, for more information about this and other products. Thanks for watching.